Hello everyone, I welcome you all. Today we are going to learn about nested if conditional statement and if elif conditional statement. So let's get started. Many people think that what is the meaning of nested? Nested means fully contained within something else of the same kind. Let's take an example. In figure 1, I have taken 5 separate buckets. If I put them in one inside another, each bucket, then it is called nested. They became nested. Same thing happened with nested if. Nested if means a nested if statement means an if statement inside another if statement. So here is an example.
From this example, we will get a clear picture of nested if conditional statement. So, I want to print marks of a student, but I need to print marks of a particular student of particular school and his or her marks. So, I had inputted a name, school, and marks of that student here. First, I want to check the school name. That student should belong to ABC school and name of student should be Sia. If both the conditions are true, then only I need to print the marks of that student. When I run this program, we got an answer that C of ABC school got 85%. If any of the condition fails, for example, name of the student is Kinjal, now the program won't print the message. So here it will check for this condition first and then move on to the next. Hope you have understand this example and you have understood the nested if also.
Let's look at this syntax now. If condition is true, we will check the another condition. If this also true, then I can write a statement or I can check another if condition. What is the use of this condition now? Sometimes we need to check a condition based on another condition. If that condition is true, then only we need to check another condition. Let's now study about if elif conditional statement. What is elif now? Elif is nothing but it is else if. In simple meaning, it is if the previous condition were not true, then try this one. In the if else conditional statement, we can check only one condition, right? If that state the condition becomes true, we will execute set of instruction. If that condition become false, we will execute set of instruction. But if we want to check multiple condition, then how we will do that? Of course by elif, because it allows us for multiple expression. Now look at the example now.
In this program, I had taken three variables and I need greatest of them. So I had applied here if condition and if it becomes true, it will print x is greater. Then I had applied else statement and inside it I had applied if else again. When we run this program, we get a answer that y is greater. Here it contains three values. Here we can write like this, but if it contains more than three values, then this list becomes longer. Here we didn't check many conditions because only three values are there. But if it contains multiple values, then we need to check multiple conditions here. So we get if else and then we get another if else and so on. And we can get confused with that. Instead of using like this, we can use elif statement and that looks very simple as compared to this. So what we do, we write here elif y is greater, we get our answer. And that's how we use elif statement. Now look at the syntax of elif statement.
Look at its syntax now. If first condition gets false, it will apply on second, and then third if it gets false. At the end, it will apply on else statement. So thanks for watching.